Welcome to educational channel of Suresh Bhatt classes. We are going to solve probability class 11th exercise 16.3 question number 1. Which of the following cannot be valid assignment of probabilities for outcomes of sample space S equal to the sample points are omega 1, omega 2, omega 3, omega 4, omega 5, omega 6 and omega 7. Assignment of omega 1, omega 2, omega 3, omega 4, omega 5, omega 6 and omega 7 are given as A. Omega 1 equal to 0.1, omega 2 equal to 0.01, omega 3 equal to 0.05, omega 4 is 0.03, omega 5 is 0.01, omega 6 is 0.2, omega 7 is 0.6. So we will have to solve this and we have to find whether it is a valid assignment or not. So we find the sum of all the probabilities. Sum of all the probabilities is probability of omega I. The sum of 0.1, 0.01, 0.05, 0.03, 0.01, 0.2, 0.6 is equal to 1. We also find that each event omega 1 to omega 7 all are in between 0 and 1. So we write 0 is less than or equal to probability of omega I is less than or equal to 1. So these are the two valid axioms which are satisfied, hence this assignment is valid. Part B, omega 1 to omega 7 all are 1 upon 7. So sum of all the probabilities we write probability of omega I from 1 to 7 equal to 1. 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7 for 7 time is 7 upon 7 which is equal to 1. Also 0 is less than or equal to probability of each omega I is less than or equal to 1, as 1 upon 7 in each case is less than 1 and greater than 0. So 0 is less than or equal to probability of omega I is less than or equal to 1. Hence this is valid. So part A and part B are valid assignments. Now we go to part C. Assignment part C. Omega 1 is 0.1, omega 2 is 0.2, omega 3 is 0.3, omega 4 is 0.4, omega 5 is 0.5, omega 6 is 0.6 and omega 7 is 0.7. So we find the validity of these assignments. So summation of or sum of all the probabilities omega I, if we add 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, the sum is 2.8. And as this is greater than 1, so this assignment is not valid. The sum of the sample space, the sum of the probabilities of sample space cannot be more than 1 and this is 2.8, hence it is not valid. The assignment part D and the probabilities of all the events omega 1 equal to minus 0.1, omega 2 equal to 0.2, omega 3 equal to 0.3, omega 4 equal to 0.4, omega 5 is minus 0.2, omega 6 is 0.1 and omega 7 is 0.3. As the probabilities cannot be negative and omega 1 is minus 0.1 and omega 5 is minus 0.2, hence this is not valid. Assignment E, omega 1 is 1 upon 14, omega 2 is 2 upon 14, omega 3 is 3 upon 14, omega 4 is 4 upon 14, omega 5 is 5 upon 14, omega 6 is 6 upon 14 and omega 7 is 15 upon 14. As omega 7 is equal to 15 upon 14 which is greater than 1 and the sum of the probabilities cannot be greater than 1 or any individual probability cannot be greater than 1, hence this assignment is not valid. Here omega 7 is 15 upon 14, which is greater than 1, and any probability cannot be greater than 1. Hence, this is not valid. Question 2. A coin is tossed twice. What is the probability that at least one tail occurs? Here one at least is important. At least one tail occurs. We saw like this. When two coins are tossed, then our sample space is, when a coin is tossed twice, then our sample space is head head, head tail, tail head, or tail tail. And for at least one tail occurs, it means that there can be one tail or both the tails. So if we give the name of the event A, that at least one tail occurs, then the elements in A are HT, here one tail is there, TH, again there is one tail, and TT, both are tails. So the favorable number of event is 3 and the total number of outcome is 4. Therefore, probability A of at least one tail occurs is 3 upon 4. This can also be solved by no two head occurs. So for both head coming, the probability is 1 upon 4, and that can be done as 1 minus 1 upon 4 equal to 3 upon 4. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also press bell icon to get the latest notifications.